Courgette?
Hindi to courgette.
Ang laki, parang courgette ah.
Hindi.
Mukha siyang courgette.
Ayun, hindi courgette. Ang courgette po, hindi nag-ano siya. Hindi siya nag... ano? Ito guys, harvesting ko na, kunin ko na to. Ay, ano? Ayan. Ayan guys. Ibang ito siya. Ito ready na kaya to? Ready na to, no?
Yep.
Ready na din to, no? Ito guys, aray ko ang bigat. Ito guys, oh. Ayan. Kunin ko na to kasi mga ano na ko siya.
Courgette?
Hindi to courgette.
Ang laki, parang courgette ah.
Hindi.
Mukha siyang courgette.
Ayun, hindi courgette. Ang courgette po, hindi nag-ano siya. Hindi siya nag... ano? That one there, guys. Yeah, usually I just add other days. Harvest some here. So one guys, this one, I'm gonna give it this one, some of this one here. Maybe we're gonna have so anyway guys, this is a lot in here. Yeah, that one. So I'm gonna stir there some more, and this one I'm gonna put in the freezer, but I need to chop first to get ready to what is called so just stir in the freezer. So I'm gonna get what is called the herbs because I'm cooking what is called today lamb, yeah, with courgette. You're so handsome. Okay, okay, see you later, alligator. I'm gonna get a temper. So can you bring that to indoor place?